Welcome back to Vegas, everybody. I am Matt Perrault from SB Nation Radio, right here on SportsMap.com, SportsMap Houston. And, well, let's talk about our pick three. 3 games every week against the spread that we pick here from the CG Technology Sportsbook. My show, Pushing the Odds, comes out of this great sportsbook inside the Palm Skinner Resort. I apologize in Houston for the hat. That's something from my show that we've been doing, a team of the day. Ignore it. I apologize. I'm just wearing a Raiders hat for the show, not because I'm trying to taunt anybody, but how bad are the Raiders, right? I'm not taunting anybody by wearing a Raiders hat. But let's start with our 3 games that we're going to break down. See that very cool board up there? It's got all the numbers, right? That's why we're here. Let's talk about the lines of the Vikings. Vikings minus 4.5 in this one. The line is probably going to move to 5, but Vikings at 4.5, so we're going to take this game. Minnesota needs to win desperately. The Lions and Matt Patricia. Did you see that video of him this week correcting a reporter's posture? Please stand up when you or sit up when you talk to me or ask me a question. I don't like what's going on in Detroit. I've been riding Detroit this year. I've been burned for doing so. I'm going against them. The Vikings are more talented. They're at home and they need a victory desperately against the Lions. I'm going the Vikings minus 4.5 simply because they're the better football team. They need a victory. I think they come up and they get one. I am going to take the Houston Texans game or pick the Houston Texans games because I don't like Houston this week. I know I've been picking against them a lot. I haven't been that successful. Actually, I've been all right, actually. I think I'm actually winning picking against the Texans. I'm doing it again. I know they've won 5 games in a row. I know you guys as Texan fans are excited about this football team. They're a fraud. I'm sorry, but it's a fraudulent football team. They're just not that good. On the road against Denver, Mile High. I'm sorry, altitude, environment, an angry Broncos team after not performing well last week. I just think this is Denver at home. It's not a big win. I'll take Denver by 3. Denver minus 1. I'll lay the point. I'll see a Broncos victory. And finally, Patriots and the Packers. I've gone back and forth between Saints, Rams, Patriots, Packers, which game to pick. I'm just going to go with the team that I support. I'm a Patriot fan. I'm going with New England. I think this is too difficult of a spot here for the Green Bay Packers. You're asking Green Bay to go to the West Coast to play the Rams and then go to the East Coast to play the Patriots. I mean, those 2 teams could play in the Super Bowl. That's too much to ask. Even have an Aaron Rodgers coach team. They had the Ty Montgomery thing at the end of the game against the Rams. They probably could have won that game. If they had gone 1-1 between the Rams and the Patriots, they would have felt pretty good. I think the Rams game was the one that, coming off a bye, I think that was the game that they really were going to have a good shot at. Patriots in Foxborough, Tom Brady, less than a touchdown favorite. You take Tom Brady here. Don't overthink this, okay? Packers are okay. They're an okay team. They're not great. It's Aaron Rodgers, and they're kind of spoiling his whole entire career, to be quite honest. But to me, Brady at home with the Patriots, lay the 5.5, take New England minus 5 at home against Green Bay. So to recap our pick 3 segment, we're going with the Vikings minus 4.5 against the Lions. We are taking the Denver Broncos minus 1.5 against the Houston Texans, and the Patriots minus the 5.5 against the Green Bay Packers. I understand that's 3 favorites. Just the way the week worked out for us here with our Pick 3 segments. I am Matt Perrault from SB Nation Radio. Check out my show, Pushing the Odds, 12 to 3 Eastern, 11 to 2 your time in Houston. SBNationLive.com to stream it. And we're back next week for another Pick 3 right here on SportsMap.com.